Wow, the water is so high compared to where it was. It'll be kind of cool with the trees in it. Come closer to the shore. It looks to be a really cool picture with the ice and the trees.
No, I kind of like the way it looks with there being nothing behind them, no horizon.
One closer to the shore. Now they can go back and put the food in. You take a video.
Yeah.
They can do the whole, as much as they want if they're close to the shore. I know, it's distressing, isn't it?
He's coming back.
Like that? Huh?
Cassie stays. He'll be back.
I'm gonna run and do food now. Thanks for coming out, though.
Oh, yeah. Well, thank Cassie.
Don't step on the,
I won't.